What's happening? Are you on a fantastic day? Good. I was going through my recommendations on suggestions list on YouTube, and I came across this short 1 minute fan animation of My Hero Academia, Midoriya versus Overhaul. Someone made a little fan animation, and I've not seen it yet. I was gonna watch it, but you know what? I'll watch it for YouTube, innit? So let's check this out. Before we'll check this out, I want to recommend an anime that I've started to watch. It's only got about 24 episodes. I think it's season 2 is out this year. I think it got voted for anime of the year. Put the poster right up. Boom! How sexy that poster. Demon Slayer. I recommend you to watch Demon Slayer. It got voted anime of the year last year. Well, 2019, yes. And I'm watched 8 or 9 episodes now, and it is fantastic. Good animation, art, good texture, good storyline, good soundtrack, and it has some little funny moments, but it's very serious as well. If you like your gruesome and weird, not weird, but gruesome and animation like that, I recommend you watch Demon Slayer. So yeah, Demon Slayer, I love so much. And any further to do, my anime fans, let's watch this fan animation. Okay. Oh. Go on, Midoriya! Oh. Power speed, I got it. Oh shit, did he just kill her? Oh, right through his chest. Go on, Midoriya. Of course he's gonna be holding back, innit? Whoa, 20%! Smash! Oh, that's it. Beautiful animation. Shout out to the original owner, I think something K. Ariza K? Is that your name? You're getting subscribed by me. I hope you don't mind me doing a reaction, because I hope you don't. Please don't put a copyright claim on me. But good animation, even if this is 1 minute long, it was worth it. I think it's tomorrow. Is My Hero Academia on tomorrow? Yes it is, I think. I'll see you me, doesn't make no sense. You'll see me doing review about tomorrow's episode. So I cannot wait. If you guys did not see me doing last week's episode, that will be on the screen at the end of this video. Oh my days. But yeah, I hope we do see Midoriya kicking the living shit out of Overhaul. And I hope Sir Knight, I don't die. I hope not. I hope Miro doesn't die. So yeah. Please hit the like button, subscribe and share. And I am out of here. I'm Mr. Sid. I'll see you all again soon. If not today, see you tomorrow or this weekend. Go beyond. Plus Ultra.
次は君だ。